Hey there, how are you? In this short video, I am going to show you how to enable and configure a list of records that you can expand to see related records from another table. In this scenario, you are running a help desk service and you want to see open support cases simply by listing them below the account record. Currently, you can open an account record and look for support cases right here in the middle. Let's see how we can make this even simpler. Start by navigating to your Maker Studio and from your solution, switch to Classic. Next, look for and select the table you want to work with, in this case account. Go to Controls and Add Control. Look for Power Apps Grid Control. There it is, and add it. Now we need to configure it, and in this video we will be looking at child items. The first thing you need to do is to choose a table of related records and a view of those records. So click here, select the table and a view, and click OK. Next, you need to bind it with a lookup to the parent table. So click here and go for account. Click OK. Finally, don't forget to enable this for the different form factors. Let's go with web, phone, and tablet. Now save. And then publish. Okay, it should be done. Now let's go back to our app and maybe do a couple of refreshes here. Okay. And now we can expand a datum and see that we have 3 open support cases. If we go to AdventureWorks, there's one. Very nice feature, right? So please don't forget to follow or connect for more videos like this one, and see you soon.